fixing on going on camping in the next couple days, and I got this new to me truck, and the bed height is about 8 or so inches higher than my old truck, and where we go, we run a generator. So that generator with the old truck, I used to just pick it up and throw it in there, but this truck, a little different story. So I had to think about what I was going to do on getting it into the bed of the truck without injuring myself, my wife, also getting it out. So I came up with an idea. I tried it out. I'm going to show you what I did, show you how it works, and just let you see what I do to get my generator in the back of my truck. So first of all, why don't you say hi to my kitty cat up there, Misha? Kitty, 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 kitty. Misha. Yeah, she always ignores me. Anyways, back to the story. So what I came up with is, as you can see, I got a piece of chain here with a couple carabiners hooked to some bed holds, the other carabiner down here, and I picked up this rope hoist today, and it's got a rating of 320 or 350 pounds lift with a 700 pound pull. So I think that weight of that generator, I'm well within the limits of this. The other thing I picked up was these Reese adjustable ramps, end caps, and I made some ramps for the truck. So I'll come back around here, and as you can see, I've already got it set up. And I just went ahead and put a piece of rope around a secure point on the generator. And if you haven't seen, I did a couple videos on some rope knots that I use in my work and also my day-to-day. I'll throw some links. The first one right here is called the inline butterfly knot. I'm using that, so I got a center point on my hook right here, and then I got a figure 8 knot right here that I'm using to attach these two ropes, so I know that they're not going to come apart or this rope into a loop. And then I've got a safety knot right here, and that's just to tie off the excess rope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn around, get the tripod set up, get in position so you can see this in action. So right back at you. All right, so at one point, you're going to wear gloves while doing this. As you bring it down, you're letting the rope slide through. Don't want to get any rope burn. So what I'm going to do is just get the wheels up on it. Just pull. Now with this rope pulley, it does have a lock on it. So if I just move the rope away from center line, it actually locks the pulley, top pulley, so it's not going to fall back down on it. So I get a new grip on it. Okay, just guide it up. Right over the top, just like that. Really easy. Now when I'm getting ready to take it out, all I got to do is just bring it to the edge. Make sure I got a little slack in the rope pulley. And that's just so it doesn't lock up when I take it off. Stop it again. So there it is. Just that easy. Saves on my back, saves on my wife's back and body. Got one other modification I did to my generator. I'll get the camera, move it over, show you what I did on that one. Alright, so one other thing I did to my generator is, you can see there's some white wheels on it. When I made a little brace, put some wheels on it, and that way it'll roll up the ramps. But when it's on the ground and everything like that, those rubber stoppers actually keep it from moving around. So all those wheels are for is just to help guide it up. So like I say, this is something that I'm doing so I can get this generator in the back of my truck. Just thought I'd show you guys and share with you. Hope to see you guys on the next video.